Want to switch mobile providers but keep your current number? You'll need a PAC porting authorization code from Tesco Mobile. Getting one is easy. A PAC is your porting authorization code, as defined here. Here are three methods. First, use the Tesco Mobile app. It's the quickest way. Second, log into your account on the Tesco Mobile website. Finally, call Tesco Mobile directly at 344-324-9222. Regardless of the method, make sure you have your account details handy, such as your phone number, postcode, or account PIN. Once requested, you should receive your PAC code via SMS or email, typically within 24 hours. Remember, the PAC code is free and valid for 30 days. Once you have your Tesco Mobile PAC code, provide it to your new mobile provider when signing up. They'll handle the number transfer, which usually takes 1 to 2 days. Ensure your Tesco Mobile account is active and has no outstanding debts to avoid any porting delays. Keep in mind that if you're a prepaid customer switching within Tesco or to specific networks, a STAC, Service Transfer Authorization Code, might be necessary instead of a PAC. Finally, with the rise of eSIMs, requesting your PAC can be done digitally without needing a physical SIM card. If you experience any issues or delays beyond a couple of days, contact Tesco Mobile customer support for assistance.